Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to post the park document. Let's start. Key code is FBV0. You can use the key code, otherwise you can also use the path. Go to SAP AG access screen. Then click on accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, document, then park document, double click on the FBV0. Here you have to put the company code. If you don't know in which document you are going to post, then put the fiscal year, click on document list, then execute. It will be shown you all the document number which is already parked. Suppose I am going to post this park document number. Double click on that. If you want to change in any field or any amount, anything in this parked document, you can change. Suppose I change it, invoiced document, then change, click on simulate. This is the transaction which is we are going to post. Click on post. Document number 818007 was posted. If you want to display this document number, go to here. You can see also this document number is removed from this park document list. /FB03, put the document number 18007, then fiscal year, this is the transaction which is now we posted in this. If you want to see the transaction against the customer, copy the customer number, go to T code /n FBL5L, put the customer number, click on open item, then see this is the transaction which is we posted right now. This is the document number. In that way you can post the document, in that way you can post the park document. Thank you.